Hey guys, Worth at Shover Imports. Just wanted to do a quick video, kind of show you guys something that we run into. Today we're working on a 2014 BMW 335i. Vehicle came in with a cylinder 1 misfire. It's been at other shops and they've done plugs, coils, tried to figure out what's going on here. Came to us, we got to the bottom of it. Big issue on these, carbon buildup on the injectors. These vehicles are gasoline direct injected. What that means for you is you're gonna get more carbon buildup. There are some ways to combat that. Something that we love to use here is Locomoly. They have a gasoline system cleaner that, when used properly at the proper intervals, maintenance is a lot cheaper than a repair. So before you have to spend $1,700, $1,800, sometimes even more, try doing proper maintenance. This is a whole lot cheaper in the long run. Don't let your injectors look like this. Keep them looking like this. Have a great day, guys.